We're at, I think it's in there, Naylor Family Farms. Justin. It's called multitasking, baby.
I think it was donkeys over there.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Look at that.
What, buddy? Yeah, that's what's up. What's up?
You gotta pick a pumpkin.
Yeah. Got my pumpkin. Waiting on this boy to get his. Which one you think, Ma? Is that yours?
I don't know. I kind of like it though.
I kind of like it too.
I think this one's fine if you don't want
Alright. Is that the one you want? It's big.
it. Alright, you want that one, Justin?
Justice, let me see your pumpkin. Look at that beautiful pumpkin. Yeah. Oh, you living above your head with all them big muscles. Let me see what you got. Pumpkin attack, yeah.
Mine is the king.
Yeah. Look behind you. Oh.
What about
It's an alien. Oh, the alien's alive. It's alive. Oh, poor thing. Look behind you. Yeah. Look, there's a cemetery. Oh. Mark. Super scary. Oh, what is that? Is that a parachute? Look. A deer stand.
Not a tree house.
Look. Oh, there's a skeleton. Oh, he didn't make it. He got hung up in the trees, didn't he? Hey, what's up with the random Christmas tree chilling out there, man? Oh, look at that gorilla. Look at the gorilla. Uh-oh. Yeah.
I love haunted houses. I never been to But I don't want any more.
Oh, they're making liquor. They got the distillery out here. Making the moonshine. Yeah. Look at that little house, look. What does it say? What's the sign say?
I don't know.
Keep out. Oh.
There's nothing here worth dying for.
Oh, yeah, well,
What does it say? Keep out.
yeah, because you don't want Yeah, look.
Daddy, there's a yellow person.
You got a shark, man. Look at that shark you got. Yeah.
What was that noise?
Oh, that was his,
I hit my head. Daddy, you see that? We went that way.
Yeah, we did go that way. Look at that spider. Do you? Where's it at?
A couple of them up there, yeah.
Did I see a person?
Big fly there.
Wait, let's do that. I want to do that.
Oh, it's a gigantic skeleton.
I'll jump.
What's up, buddy? Oh, I see. Alright, Daddy's coming too. Screw it. Oh, bro. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, wait. You gotta let that kid get off. Wait until they get off. All right, you good to go now? All right, I'm coming, baby. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. All right, Brandon, your turn.
Screw it. You want to take a picture of me doing it?
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna catch Justice coming down. What's up, buddy? All right, all right.
Mom to go? Daddy, come here.
Oh, ow, bro, mother flip. Get your butt out of my face. Oh.
Justin, look.
Hey, look. What's up?
Look, Laren,
Justin.
look at me.
What's up?
Laren. Laren, look.
All right, let's go this way. Come on.
While y'all two go first, I can take it.
You wanna hold this for me? This is getting on my nerves, man. Can you put it in the purse or something? Oh, excuse me, buddy.
Come here. It's so fun. Okay. Oh, you're gonna have a race? Yeah. Look, look at that one. Ready?
This is pretty big, bro. Wait, Josh. Wait. No, don't go until they get down to the bottom.
Oh, geez. I got
All right,
3, 2, 1, go.
go. All right, sure. Oh, bro. Oh, okay. Just got brakes. Woo! Okay. What?
Look over here.
Here, baby, take this.
That's where you're
Oh, what is this?
Let me get on. Look, that's super fast.
All right, paddle. Go. Oh, y'all going so fast? Hold on.
Look how big this thing is.
I need a.
Corn, guys, we need corn.
Go in there. Take your shoes off.
Oh, look at that. Let me take mine off too, screw it. I'm walking barefoot in there. Oh, that feels kind of. Oh, now I see why you gotta take your shoes off. Your feet disappears. That is so cool. Oh, give me do a handful of corn. Yeah, not.
Cook them.
Oh, you do cook them, don't you? Don't lay in it. Get out. You can get it in your underwears and stuff. Man.
Don't throw the corn, okay?
That's crazy, man. I see that. That's what's up, bro. He's so excited. Look at him. Oh, you in jail. You've been a bad boy. All right, come here. Hold it and do it for me and mommy. Stand right here. Hold it and get me and mommy in there. Me and mommy's gonna get in it. You got it? All right, just hold still. Look at it. Look at it. You can see if we in there.
Your fingers are in front of the
We got
camera.
it?
You've been a bad boy.
Yes.
I think
Thank
you
you.
might have stopped it.
Look, come here.
No, that's good. Let's go.
Daddy.
All right, I'm coming. Come on. Ooh, what's up, girl? Whoa! This is actually awesome, bro.
This thing is awesome.
Yeah, there.
It's like you on a ship.
Yeah. Oh, we are on a ship. Look, hey.
No, Daddy, it gets you on the ship.
Yeah.
Dad, it gets you on a ship.
Yes, it does. What kind of ship is this? What's up? Hey, you want to race on a pirate ship? All right, Mom.
On your mark, get set, go!
There's right there.
You won again. Thank you.
Oh, that was messed up, man. That was messed up.
Messed up. Messed up. That parrot gonna get you. All right, Justice, come on. What's up, boy? Let me get you. Yeah. No, I'm fair. That's not ours. Drop it. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. But your son's leaving me. Hey, Justice, what is this? Oh.
You know what would be amazing?
We needed the bogey to shoot it.
You know what would be amazing?
You're supposed to drop the ball in here and it shoots into the thing over there.
You know what would be amazing?
See?
It's for the blue ball.
Yeah.
It's for the blue ball.
All right, Justice. Shoot. Whoa! Do it again.
That's how you
All right, that's what's up, bro.
You know what would be amazing though?
What?
Playing hide and seek out here. Look, they got a thing that is in that one.
Oh, we're going in that next. Escape hatch.
You want me to go with you?
Come here.
It's the escape hatch. Yeah, I see it, man. I'm not getting in there, bro. I done did the big boy stuff. Did Mama go down? Justice, get outside. Get outside, Justice. How was that, Ma?
It shot me.
Haha.
Super high, Daddy
Yeah,
said.
do high. Oh, there it goes. That might be too big. Yeah, see, you're supposed to make it in there. I don't know where all the balls went, though.
I guess kids grabbed them.
Yeah, that's cool, ain't it, man? There's another
Hey,
one.
look at the one,
Baby.
Yeah, there's one down there in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
And a helicopter. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Alright, I'll get in the back. You gonna fly me around? Is that mine?
Awesome. Alright, I got some pictures there.
10-4. 10-4. Y'all ready to go?
Is it broken?
Show me how you steer. Show me how you steer that.
Go, 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 go.
Why is it blurry? Come on, get straight. There we go. Justice, shift it forward. Go forward. Oh, you're going sideways. Oh, you're going down. You're going to pull back up. Yeah.
Alright, turn it.
Phew, phew. You're firing missiles now. Phew. 10-4. 10-4. Oh, we got a man going overboard. Ah. Shoot the missiles. Phew. Boom.
Nick, can I go down with that too?
Go, go, go. Oh, bro. It looks like a giant sled. How do you like what's the name of this place again?
Naylor Family Farms.
Naylor Family Farms. How do you like it so far? Is it awesome? Very awesome. Look at this. Look at this. You made a pizza sandwich? He made a pizza sandwich. Goldfish, drink.
Oh, this is good.
ACP. Yeah.
Glad to hear.
Justice, say what's up. See how high you can jump. How high can you jump? All right, go. all right. Well, all right, give me a hug. All right, get out of here. Hey, you're supposed to run through the tires, not around them.
Yeah, that's the stunt.
Easy now. Very nice. Let me see what you got. What are you doing, you crazy? I see a hole. Slide with it. Come on, Justice. Let's go to the big tree. You want to go there? Let's check this out. You think it's a big slide? Oh, Jumper down left me, man. Oh, he's gone. There you go.
Get your hat, babe. Get your hat.
Fake grass. Oh, he bumped his teeth. It's all right, man.
It's okay,
oh, you're
bud.
bleeding. You're bleeding.
Are you bleeding?
You're dying. You're dying.
You're not bleeding.
I'm just picking with you. Getting in that thing, man. Oh, you're doing a good job now. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's what's up. Got it. Yes, sir. Oh, that thing attacked you. You see that?
Now.
All right.
Hey, stay in your seat until y'all get it back around here.
Drive, man, drive.
Good, buddy.
All right. How was it? You got that. What do you do with that? Wash your hands? Yeah, let's go pet a cow. Not now, you do it after you do the animals. Bella would love the horse. Easy, calm down, man, so you don't.
Here.
Yeah.
They're looking food.
Oh, look at the cow, Justice. Justice. Mama.
Look, Justice.
Easy.
You want to feed them?
Look, she's gonna give you a little bit of
Here.
food.
Hold that horse flat, right up.
Flat.
Guys, got a baby
Hold it
calf
flat,
over
see?
here.
Like that.
Flat.
Yeah, flat.
It's a baby, you can pet it.
Oh.
Watch him.
That was awesome.
Oh, look at you.
Be careful. He'll nip. Look, he about to
Easy,
nip.
yeah. He's looking for
These over
food.
here, she said they won't go.
Easy, looking for food. Look, right here. You can put your hand right here, see? Easy. See? And that one over there, you can pet the head of it pretty
I'm
good
about
too.
to.
Oh, his ear. This is the same exact type of donkey and the same exact one that looks like too. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, this one is There's the baby and there's the...
That.
Did you hear what he said?
Yeah, ain't that cool?
Bacon and sausage.
Me too, boy. Hey, hey.
Look, the ears hurt there.
Yeah.
That's the mill.
Dang, bro. So, you're touching a pig.
It's here.
You're not on me, man. Oh, there's a pig in the face. There's a pig face. Look at that. That's so cool.
Pig. It's a piggy.
Daddy,
What?
the mama pig is mad.
Yeah.
Why's he mad? Why's he mad?
She don't want nobody messing with her babies.
What that mean?
E-I-E-I-O. Look at that cow.
Giant cow.
That is a cow.
That's a massive one.
I don't think they get much bigger than that, do they? Did you know they get that big?
No.
What the flip kind of cow is that? Dang.
It's a dono.
Hey, look at this goat, baby. Look at this goat.
One up there.
Look at this goat.
Hi.
Look at the one up there.
It's a goat face. It ain't food, buddy. It ain't food. Oh, we're supposed to put food in it.
Sounds like, why you messing with me?
All right, come on. Oh, you scared? You want to hold my hand? You got it? Okay. It's a McDonald's cow.
That's a Donald cow.
It's a McDonald's cow. Old McDonald had a farm cow.
That's a Donald cow.
A Donald cow.
Look at the baby cow.
I don't know what a
That's not a Donald cow.
I don't know what a Donald cow is. What the flip? That mo's licking that thing. It must still be hungry. Oh, we need more food to feed it. Dang, we didn't. The thing wasn't open for us to get food.
Daddy,
What?
the baby. Look.
Yeah, I saw it. I'm gonna go with you, man. Screw it. Oh. Bro, I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here, but I'm going. You gotta wait for me, bro. I don't move as fast as you. Oh, this is super cool, man, ain't it? What? Alright, let's see what you got. Oh, I didn't account for this. Alright.
It's super tiny.
Alright, come on. Go, so I can go. Okay. Alright. Alright, here we go. Woo! Alright, whenever you say. You're moving like a snail though, you're too slow. Oh.
One more.
You ready to go do the tractor? Oh, you go, Mom. On videotape you going across. Go. Yeah, this is genius too. Whoever did this was pretty smart. crank that tractor up, man. Show me how you do it. Mama, you don't do it. Look, Mama. You gotta turn this right here. Look right here. Crank me. You gotta turn that. Do it. Turn it.
Turn it. Keep turning.
All right. Go get on it. You gonna go get on it? That's good, man. Oh, somebody's on it already, man. Oh crap, bro.
Well,
Oh, bro, I about missed my step. Oh, that's very cool.
sit down. Hold on.
Oh, my stocking. No, no more.
Oh.
Don't drop. Gotcha. Oh, let me look.
Turn around. There's one side, ding dong.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
All right, goodbye. Oh, I don't think Daddy can slide down. Oh, that was but I'm gonna try.
All right.
Oh, that literally bumps you up. Yeah. Oh! Justice.
Get that bag and put it aside. All right, Adam, come. Unless you don't want to go to the beach. Adam, I'm tired of asking that. Come on. Adam. Adam, write it down. Adam, oh yeah, all right. Get out of here. Oh, bro. Give me some chin.
Oh, I wasn't even recording. No, now we do it. Oh, now I'm recording. I'm so stupid. That was that mine.
Hey.
Enter if you dare. All right, we're walking.
No, you gotta stay on the path, but.
Wait, why are we going that way? Is this way not a way?
I don't know.
Apparently not. Well, that's a smart thing to do. Whichever one you want to go. It'd be nice if you would stay back here with Daddy and stop leaving me, though. Let's go right. Let's go this way.
Justice, this way.
Goodbye.
This way. You have to hear.
Hey, look, it's actually growing corn. See, that's
it.
corn.
Feel it.
Not like the corn you eat on the cob. Like what y'all been wanting. Well, it is a corn maze. Oh, it's getting dense in this piece. Getting dense in this piece. Oh, I think we're off track now. I think we went the wrong way. I always wanted to run through a corn maze. Let's go back.
You're always the wrong way, Daddy.
Yeah, that's right. That is not the right way. I don't even think that is a pathway. We just went on it. Yeah.
That's the way. You want to go this way?
Yeah, let's go this way. Is that how you get up there? What? Go the other way, baby.
Okay? Do this.
Hey, stand here.
This way.
All right. Oh, dang, Bob, a truck on my face. You didn't want to go up there, baby?
No, not after your butt.
Oh, that's terrible. This is very good footage for YouTube, I suppose.
Well, it's getting it. Thank you.
I appreciate it, Waylon. Ah, you little heifer, you scared me.
Awesome.
This is the exit also,
I
huh?
need to go back before my mom and dad.
All right.
Hurry up.
Ow, my butt cheek.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little face make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Ooh, babe, I love you so much, so much. Ooh, babe, I wanna stay with you.
On your mark,
Your
get set, go.
pretty eyes make me smile, and your little face make me stay with you.
Naylor Family Farm in Chinese. Dun dun dun.